Ashley again from Tangerine Mountain Imports and Designs, bringing you some awesome kimono-related video content. Now, for this segment, we're going to show you some fun and modern ways that you can wear kimono and other wafuku items. If you're interested in learning how to wear kimono in the traditional ways, whether it's for everyday wear or maybe for tea ceremony or for more formal events, you can always check us out on YouTube at Tangerine Mountain, because we have some really awesome and full-length tutorials on there that'll show you a wide variety of musubi and other really cool looks. But for today, we're gonna go a little bit more casual. Now, all of the looks that you're going to see here are looks that we have seen in Japanese fashion magazines, we've seen on the streets of Japan, and even on Japanese television. And we just wanted to bring that little slice of Japan to you and show you cool ways you can incorporate wafuku into your everyday looks with common items that you might even find in your apartments and your dorm rooms. But in order to do that, I have to get off screen and we have to summon the official Tangerine Mountain model. So we hope you enjoy this segment. Hi, Tiffany. So, I see you're a Sonic the Hedgehog fan. Well, I have just the wafuku piece to highlight your awesome Sonic look. Are you ready? All right, let's snap those fingers and get you in your look. And take a look. Fashion's always more fun with a friend, right? So, what you are wearing now is called a happi jacket. That happi is typically worn for Japanese festivals and outdoor summer events. Very celebratory, and with that iconic blue, very Sonic the Hedgehog. And what outfit wouldn't be complete without an awesome set of kicks? All right, Tiff, so this is super fun, but we have some more outfits that we're gonna show off. Are you ready? All right, so let's make like Sonic and dash off. Let's go! Hey there, Tiff. Sorry to interrupt your awesome kimono study, but I'm wondering, are you ready for us to get you in another look? All right, so we're gonna use some of our tangerine magic here to spirit away all of our awesome set dressings and get you dressed. Are you ready for it? All right, let's snap those fingers. Don't worry, we're gonna give you your stuff back at the end, I promise. Now, are you ready for our next awesome look? Excellent. We're gonna have you raise your hands. Get ready to snap those fingers with some tangerine magic. And here we go. Yeah, pretty simple look that we've added here. What you are now wearing is called a men's juban. Typically, juban are kimono underwear, but for lounging around your dorm room or an apartment, this is totally comfortable and really awesome to wear. Now, we have a variation on this look though. Something a little bit more for going to class or going out on a date or just hanging out with your friends. Do you want to see what that looks like? All right, let's snap and find out. Nice. What you are wearing is called a men's haori jacket. It's an outerwear jacket, and you can accompany it with kimono or with Western wear like we see here. And your awesome new hat. The hat sports Fujin and Daijin, traditional Japanese gods of wind and thunder. So you can have this super modern look with a super traditional bend. So, are you ready to get dressed up in another look? All right, let's snap our fingers and see what we got. All right, now you can see we're out of the menswear look and we've done the first part of putting a kimono on. But we're not gonna dress this up in the traditional way. We're gonna do something a little fun and different. Are you ready? Let's snap your fingers once. All right, so now we're out of our menswear and we have a kimono on. We have it crisscrossed on the front with the right side down first and the left side over. And we have cinched it at your waist with a blue koshihimo. But that's not all we're doing for this look, because as you can kind of feel, the kimono's a little long on you like this. But we're not gonna do things the traditional way of the hashori. No, no, no. We're doing something a little different. Are you ready? Let's snap those fingers. Oh, would you look at that? So we're wearing the same awesome kimono, but we're wearing it now in matsuri style. So in order to accomplish this look, I'm gonna have you spin to the back real quick. what we did was we pulled up the bottom part of the kimono about from a foot from the bottom hem, and we pulled it up along the back seam to give it that nice kind of flowing look in the back. Then we decided to cinch it off with a simple pashmina scarf that we tied in a loose blouse flowing kind of fashion to give us that nice cascade down the back. Now if you can turn around one more time, there's one more way that we can wear this look, like if you're going to an office, maybe your work-study job, or for something a little bit nicer. Are you ready to see what that looks like? Let's snap those fingers. Now we've taken the super casual Matsuri look, we have added a formal black skirt over it, and we have cinched it at the waist with a simple stretchy fashion belt. So we've taken this super casual look to something that can be worn to the office, worn to a work-study job, or hanging out with your friends for a night on the town. Now, there's one other look that we want to do with you. Are you up for it? All right, so let's snap those fingers and we're gonna get you into our last look for this video. And now we're out of our kimono and we're now wearing a yukata. Now the difference between a kimono and yukata is that a yukata is lightweight cotton or cotton linen blend, and it's meant as summer wear. So you can wear this kind of thing to a festival or hanging out with your friends in those very hot summer months. Now, we're gonna snap our fingers and we're gonna show you how to wear this yukata in Harajuku style. All right, so what we have done here is we have taken the bottom hem of the yukata and we have brought it up to match the length of that cute short skirt that you were wearing. From there, we tied it off at the waist so that we could maintain that short length. Now that gave us some extra yukata to deal with. That gave us that big ohashori or blousing that you see just at the hip line. And then we took two super cute and super colorful pashmina scarves, we twisted them together and we tied it with two double knots in the back to give it a loose and textured look. So this is yet another way that you can have a super cute look while having modern fun with kimono. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you learned some really cool stuff, and we encourage you to experiment and create your own looks combining Western wear and kimono. Now before we end this video, we want to give a couple of special thanks. First off, to the official Tangerine Mountain model, Tiffany. If you're interested in finding more of her looks, you can find her on Instagram at ladykage.ia. We also want to thank Japan House and Sato Sensei. We always enjoy working with everyone at Japan House, and we encourage you to check out all of the awesome digital programming that they're going to have coming down the pipeline. Now, if you want to learn more about kimono, and if you're interested in acquiring one of your own, we encourage you to check us out at www.tangerinemountain.com or on the socials, Facebook at Tangerine Mountain and Instagram at Tangerine Kimono. If you're interested in learning how to dress in kimono in a variety of ways, both modern and traditional, you can always check out our YouTube channel. You can find us at Tangerine Mountain there. And please like and subscribe and share those videos with your friends for anybody that you think would be interested. Now, we highly encourage you to support Japan House, both during this Ganbaru Day of Giving event and beyond. Because Japan House's mission of supporting cultural exchange through the arts of Japan is one that is very important, now more than ever, and it's something that we're always happy to support. So we encourage you, check out their programming online, check out the information they have online, and don't be afraid to donate to Japan House through the University of Illinois. If you're interested in doing so, you can find out more info on their website. Thank you guys again so much. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you later.